Started Battleborn Wheels in 2015. It's still a small business today. We set out to build wheels that fit our needs and the abuse that we put our rigs through. I got a couple friends here that work with me. We make wheels, make content, and whenever we can, we cut out early so we can go wheeling. Battleborn Wheels is based in Carson City, Nevada. We're surrounded by the Rubicon Trail, Fordiced, Moon Rocks, and we have Prison Hill right in our backyard. It's close enough that I could just drive from the shop. We're rock crawlers at heart. Everyone who works at Battleborn likes to wheel, so it makes sense that we go spend our lunchtime doing what we love. What's up? Chris from Battleborn Wheels, and this is my backyard, Prison Hill. This is my Jesse Haynes Fab trail car. This is my personal rig. It's running his portal axles on fabricated Toyota housings, running Yukon thirds, ARBs, front and rear, 529 gears, RCV 300M axle shafts, PSC steering, front and rear. I have a Warren RC winch in the front, Baja design, squadron, lights up front. I'm running the 20x9 Sierra Flowform Beadlocks, 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern, 5.5 backspace. These clear the portal axles perfectly, and it gives me a nice scrub radius for all the steering the buggy has. On 42-inch BFG Krawlers, these tires hook up. Stress testing and product R&D is very important to us here at Battleborn Wheels. We like to use our wheels as they're intended for, so we can sell them to you with confidence. Suspension travel is unreal with the long air shocks. This car's got a 2.0 LNF crate motor, turbocharged, ton of power for this little platform. Automatic Jeep tranny with a Dana 300 T-case. Jesse designed this chassis with a ton of visibility, front and rear. I can see all my tires. Looks good, I feel safe inside, and it just performs. It speaks for itself. Him and his team did a great job pumping these out. I bought the chassis fully welded from him, and then I did all the assembly at my shop. We wanted to design a wheel that can race King of the Hammers, tow your rig there, and have zero worry. This is a product we built to use on our own applications, and we proudly stand behind the design.